Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sonia Lauren and I am back with another video. So before I get into this video, I just want to tell you guys that I attempted to do a twist out and I think I got the out part right and not the twist, because it ain't no curls. It's like barely curls. But anyway, it's cool. Like, it's super cool. I knew that was gonna happen. If you guys are interested in seeing where I went wrong with my twist out, then go watch my last video because it will be posted by now. Anyway, who cares about that? Today I will be reviewing this hair. This is lacer hair. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I ain't gonna waste no time. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so this company reached out to me and asked me to review their hair. Quarantine came around. Ain't nobody really doing hair right now. Don't nobody really want to do hair right now. I haven't been able to get it installed, and I've been going back and forth with the company because they're waiting on a video, and I'm just like,
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. There's just so much going on right now.
Because I cannot get it installed right now, I just decided to do like an initial review video. When I do get it installed, I will give you guys an update video on how it looks installed. So when you open up the box, you get the hair and you get some lashes that just fell out, and you get some hair clips. Now, I like these companies that do hair extensions because they always give you extra hair clips. You just never know. And you also get lashes. Personally, these aren't my type of lashes, but I mean, hey, you know, I barely even wear lashes, so I don't know. And then you get the hair. So they only sent me one pack of hair, but y'all know I got a small head, so one pack of hair will do. And let's just open it up. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. It smells like hair. I want to say the smell is like super, you know, some people are like, oh, the smell is just way too strong. I want to say the smell is like way too strong. It just smells like you opening up a pack of extensions, honestly. So pretty regular on the smell. It says human hair extensions. This is the clip and Kinky Straight 18-inch in the color 1B. On the back of the tag, you also get some hair care directions. Just the regular hair care that comes with any extensions or weave that you buy. Also, let's check the shedding on this. Okay, I'm getting no shedding, and I'm like pulling for dear life, so that's really good. I like when I initially get hair and I get little to no shedding. Right now I'm literally getting no shedding. Okay, that was about one strand. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but basically none and then none. So little to minimal shedding. I love getting hair and getting little to minimal shedding. And yeah, this is just kind of like an initial review straight out the box. What do you get? What should you expect? I told you about smell. I told you about shedding. What else can I say about this hair? It feels great. I love how thick the bundle is. Another thing I love is how thick the bundle is all the way through, honey. Okay, look at that. Thick all the way through, top to bottom. That's what we like to see. So yeah, go purchase you guys some lacer hair. Initial review, I'm gonna give it a 9 because I haven't installed it yet, so it can't be a perfect 10. I wouldn't even know if it is a perfect 10, but I'm gonna definitely give it a 9. Everything you need to know about this hair will be in the description box. Maybe buy 2 packs. I got a small head, so I always go for 1 pack, but I feel like you can't go wrong with 2 packs depending on what you want to do with it. And yeah, I don't want to keep rambling. That's pretty much it, guys. This is my initial review of lacer hair. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this on my channel, and I will be giving you guys an update when I eventually install it. And I love you guys so much. Bye.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, huh? That's who I be. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.